Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to be doing a nail video. It's long overdue, I know. I'm going to be trying something a little different today. I'm going to be taking a long nail and I'm going to be cutting it down and filing it down to a length that is more, that's more practical, because with the long nails I can't type, I can't do much of anything. And these are the classy nails, and they're really kind of pink and they have a little bit of sparkle on them. So I'm going to give these a try. Right now I have just a pretty pink nail on. These are just Kiss glue-ons. I lost one today, just now, about when I was doing the dishes. So they've been on for about a week. A week for me is keeping the nails good. Every once in a while, one will pop off. If I catch it on something, I just glue it back on. Like I would have glued this one back on if it had been earlier and I wasn't planning on changing them yet. But I typically don't go over a week with these nails. So I'm going to get my super glue, I'm going to choose my sizes, and then I'm going to get them all on and then clip them and file them to a comfortable length.
It's like we're running in circles, going around every day, getting stuck in the hurdles of yesterday. Don't you wanna go further away from the fray? Let's not get stuck in our worries. We'll make our own way. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air, look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together, it will all seem better outside. Just us in the sky. Part of this circus, is it innate? Feels like a heavy burden, but I can't relate. Do our actions even matter, or is this our fate? At least now I'm feeling better. I know I'm here to stay. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air.
Now I don't know how these are going to come out, because I realize now that the tips are a little, they go narrow in. So I don't know how that's going to look when I clip it and file it. And you might say, why get the long nails that you have to cut and file? And the reason why is because they don't have anything that looks like this in a short nail. Now some people love this length. I cannot wear this length for so many different reasons. I type, everything I do, I can't open things. I wouldn't be used to this. So I'm going to clip them down and then I'm going to file them. And the thing about these nails, and I always tell you that I'm not good at filing nails, which is why I don't do my own nails. But for some reason, these nails are easy to file and they look good when you file them. So I'm gonna take these nails and I'm probably I wanna keep some of the little pretty sparkle on these nails. So I'm gonna cut probably a little like longer than I will eventually have them. It's just that if I cut them too short too quick, then I'm stuck with the very short. So I'm just gonna see how they come out. We're on this journey together. I don't know what they're gonna look like when I'm done, but I think they might look pretty good.
Or is this a fate? At least now I'm feeling better. I know I'm here to stay. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air. Look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together. It will all seem better outside. Just us in the sky. I will go wherever. I'll be yours
All right, guys, I think these were a success. They might still be a little bit longer than I'm used to. However, I think that they are a lot shorter than they were, and they look just fine. They file down beautifully and easily. There's nothing, there's no roughness on the tips. I think that they are very pretty with a little bit of sparkles. Can you see the sparkles on there? And I really did cut them down quite a bit, and they look really pretty. So I think this is a great way to do, if you have a glue-on that you like but it's too long, then you can just trim them down and, you know, give them a little file. And like I said, it doesn't take any expertise to file these nails. And I'm just using a board that's not too rough. And I've had that forever. I don't even know, you know, where I got it. Probably just a CVS brand. But I really think that these nails look very pretty. I'm happy with them. And they're different. And I'm happy with these nails. I think these nails came out good. I think I could never, ever wear these nails the length that they were. They just are not my style, not for me. But yeah, so I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. This is a channel about DIYing your best life, and one of the ways that I do that is with doing my own nails. They look like a salon manicure, but it's done in like 15 minutes instead of an hour, and it's a heck of a lot cheaper. I think these nails cost me about $8, and I use the super glue from the dollar store. So yeah, it's very economical, and it doesn't take up a lot of your time. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So thanks again for watching, guys. Take care. Bye for now.